Uno Knights versus Iskater. Iskater Park. Kirip. Asa rin ba? Bira. Rebound by Cordoba. Salceda to Lape. Lape easy 2 points by Lape. Dominguez dribble na ball, naging nagkapasahan. Pasto Arelne naging nagkapasahan. Pasto Lumigid. Gitaga kay Stokoneng using the glass. Yes, connect. 2 points is Stokoneng. Cordoba for the inbound. Pasto Salceda. Pasto Cordoba. Back to Salceda. 10 seconds shoot at goal. Salceda pumukol ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Stokoneng. Pasto Lumigid. Nagpapadali pinasa ka Dominguez. Yes, in the glass. Yes, connect. 2 points. Dominguez. Cordoba dribbling the ball. Cordoba intercepted by Dominguez again. Dominguez. Yes, connect. 2 points. Mr. Dominguez. Time remaining 4 minutes. First quarter. Lape dribbling the ball. Lape nag-iisip. Lape 15 seconds to shoot that ball. Lape naging nagkapasahan. Pasto Mecarte. Kita lang Salceda using the glass. Yes, connect. 2 points Salceda. Arelne dribbling the ball. Arelne kitabang ang bola. Arelne crossover. Arelne naging nagkapasahan. Pass to Dominguez. 10 seconds to shoot that ball. Dominguez. Pasa ka Luggoban to meron ng 3. Wala na kuha ni Dominguez. Ipasa ka Arelne using the glass. Wala na kuha ni Stokoneng. Wala. Rebound by Pakugan. Pass to Salceda. Naging nagkapasahan. Salceda dribbling the ball. Pass to Cordoba. 15 seconds to shoot that ball. Cordoba itaga ka intercepted by Lumigid. Pass to Dominguez using the glass. Yes, connect. 2 points Mr. Dominguez. Time remaining 3 minutes. First quarter. Mecarte dribbling the ball. Mecarte umikot. Mecarte. Pinasa ka Lape 10 seconds to shoot at Lape tumira ng 3. Wala na kuha ni. Sino nakakuha nun? Si Dominguez. Pass back to Dominguez using the glass again. Yes, connect. 2 points Mr. Dominguez. Again and again. Mecarte intercepted by Stokoneng. Pass to Dominguez back to Stokoneng. Intercepted by Lape. Same ball position. Fully pero di kulong. 14 seconds shot clock. Team scatter. Lumigid using the glass. Yes, connect. 2 points Lumigid. Time remaining 2 minutes and 15 seconds. First quarter is 4 against 12 in favor of Iskater. Lape dribbling the ball. Lape 15 seconds to shoot. Lape goes over. Lape lumusok. Lape intercepted by Arelne. Pass by Lape. Arelne umikot. Arelne kitabang ang bola. Arelne naging nagkapasahan. Pass to Stokoneng. 15 seconds to shoot that ball. Stokoneng pumukol ng 3. Wala na kuha ni Luggoban. Yes, connect. 2 points Mr. Luggoban. Time remaining 1 minute and 45 seconds. First quarter. Cordoba dribbling the ball. Cordoba pass to Salceda. The grip. It's a foul. Foul committed by Stokoneng. Stokoneng, you get your first personal foul. First team foul. 2 free throws for Salceda. Substitution. Gawas ang magawas, sulod ang sulod. Kaya. Prito. Wala. Gawas atong ipagsab. Gawas. Wala mo na prito na eh. Fourteen second shot clock. Game. Mecarte dribbling the ball. Mecarte kita kata Cordoba using the glass. Yes, connect 2 points, Mr. Cordoba. Time remaining 1 minute and 25 seconds. Reserve substitution. Ang masaba, ulang sa misa. Club Guban. Hindi kita kapasaan. 15 seconds to shoot that ball. Intercepted by Micarte. Pilasa ka Lape, umatras. Lape. To Makarandan, wala. Rebound by Makarandan again. Makarandan. By Sabit. Post ball left. Foul committed by Istokoneng. Istokoneng will get third. Second personal foul. Second team foul. 2 free throws for Makarandan. First throw attempt. Wala. Substitution. Gawas ang sulod ang musulod. Last throw, jumpers ready for the last throw. Time remaining 1 minute. Last throw wala. Rebound by Istokoneng to may Tapepe dribbling the ball. Tapepe nakita kapasahan. Pass to kay Istokoneng. 15 seconds to shoot that ball. Istokoneng pumukol ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Lape pass to Salceda lumusot. Yes, connect. 2 points by Salceda. Last 40 seconds. First quarter. Dominguez. Pass to Dominguez. Lumipat sa ere. Wala na kuha ni Salceda. Pass to Micarte. By the back. Micarte. Kita ka Makarandan. Easy 2 points by Makarandan. Last 20 seconds. First quarter. Imbang para Yarul ni pass to Dominguez. 15 seconds. Last 14 seconds. Tampepe Tomera ng 3. Air ball. Nakuha ni Dominguez. Yes, connect 2 points, Mr. Dominguez. Last 7 seconds. Last 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. End of the first period. Score 10 against 16 in favor of Team Scatter. Is Scatter Park.